Kubor naga Khlem jong Nongsan Hima.
MLA Barim ka Mausanram constituency uba Shangpliang ula pentikna bo Rung no shakaseng NPP Hadien bo lami no nakaseng BJP habaya keren bilat pathai Kubor uba Shangpliang ula pentip bo unsa Rung no shakaseng NPP haka khatlai tarik mentau benai arajar arpulai ha office rekam ke NPP hasilong ulai thu bah hanriu tarik mentau benai kinongket kam ke BJP Mausanram mandal kilami lut baro bat ha khatar tarik uju benai kinsa Rung no shakaseng NPP Ula pentip bahadin bulami na ka BJP, ulaya kendu iuba Alvin Saukumiu MDC bementa, banya trailang kinongket kam jong u, keberang syumi na BJP, bat kinongket kam ke NPP. Ba Shangpliang ula jiet bandung no siya ka NPP Khlem Kyndon, namar dan jingtip AA halor kata ka tiket banya kun MP Lok Sabha, hendai urung siya ka ni kaseng namar ka jingtre kam ha ka ni kaseng, ha kini kisan snam banwan ra kam penroy kipat ba.
The NPP block president of Mausanram, Mr. Alvin Saukme, has met me yesterday in Mausanram, and we had discussed the modalities of the induction of the new members as in my leaders entering the party NPP, and for that the 12th of September has been scheduled as a date for my leaders to enter into the NPP that will be held in Mausanram. And on the 13th of September, all the top leaders of Mausanram, my leaders would be escorting me, following me for my induction as well. I need to clarify on that issue. I have never discussed Lok Sabha elections with Mr. Mori. I have never even asked for a ticket, nor was there any discussions about some common candidate or something, which I have also seen in the YouTube, which he had mentioned. I need to clarify on that point because one fine morning I saw the headlines in the newspaper mentioning my name as a probable candidate of the Lok Sabha from the BJP party. Immediately I called up Mr. Dipayan Chakrabarti, who is the vice president of the state BJP, and I said, how is it, without my knowledge, that my name has come out in the press about being an MP candidate? I saw that in the press media, which Deputy Chief Minister Mr. Shangpliang had mentioned. I have no comments on that because, like I had mentioned, I am entering the party NPP without any condition, and I leave it to the judgment and the wisdom of the High Command of the NPP to utilize my services to the best of their ability, and I am ready to serve the NPP with any responsibility given by them.
But have you expressed your keen interest to
Nothing.
contest the MP
No,
election?
we have not discussed anything like that. At the most, I met only one meeting with Mr. Conrad Sangma just few days back in his residence, after I have been informed that your induction will be made on the 13th. And it just went for a courtesy visit to Mr. Conrad Sangma in his residence, and that's all. No other discussions was held. How you serve the people. My intention is to serve the people. I need a platform to serve the people. And I was looking for BJP to give me that platform. But I was not getting it. I tried my best. Like I told you 3 times, I approached the party president with my ideas how to bring up the party right from the grassroots level. Now, if those issues are not taken seriously, then what are we here for? But I find that I know I'll be finding this a very good platform in NPP because we would like to serve the people. Under the leadership of Conrad Sangma, I'm sure on a face-to-face basis we can always talk, and we can always bring up new initiatives, new interventions for the welfare of the people. My intention is to serve the people in small way or in big ways. That's all. Yesterday I had a big meeting in my constituency, and all the top leaders of my area had to come, and there were about 600 people who had attended. I always take my leaders and my voters along with me before I take any decision. And yesterday, it was a unanimous decision. Yesterday was a day where, in fact, more than 2,000 party workers holding responsible positions in the Mausanram BJP Mandal block have resigned along with me yesterday. And in fact, on the 2nd of September, prior to the resignation, I had met all my leaders in Mausanram and I have taken their consent that we are moving out of the BJP, and I have stated all the reasons to them and they have given their consent, and accordingly my people are with me. The answer that I got was that we do not have any probable candidate or person except you, so that's why we thought we will nominate your name. So if they have discussed among themselves, I have nothing to say on that, with no conditions. Yeah, I made it very clear to Mr. Parag Sangma, sir, please make sure, remember one thing, I am entering NPP without any conditions, because I want to serve the people. So there are platforms which provides you avenues to serve the people. Yeah. It's not going to bring a drastic change. So everything will be collective decisions to be taken within the party, at the district level, at the block level, at the primary unit level. Therefore, how we mingle together, how we discuss together, and how we take the party forward, that will be depending on the teamwork.